2024 Mercedes-Benz GLC Coupe revealed, due in Australia late 2023. The new high-riding GLC Coupe has been comprehensively reworked in an engineering program with the latest GLC SUV, C-Class sedan and C-Class wagon, alongside which it will continue to be produced at Mercedes-Benz Bremen factory in Germany. In Europe, it will be produced with two turbocharged four-cylinder engines across seven model grades, including a trio of plug-in hybrids, each boasting an electric driving range of more than 119 km on a WLTP test procedure. Among the key developments for the new GLC Coupe, known under the internal code name C254, is a restyled exterior. It adopts more shapely LED headlamps that extend into a larger grille, a more heavily contoured
Number of
bonnet,
cylinders.
shorter
The hybrid
suspension throughout the bodywork, larger wheelhouses and prominent feature lines along the flanks. As with its predecessor, the
evolving.
new
In
model
this new
has a distinctive coupe-like roof
stay
line
tuned for more
and a
updates on this
porcelain
remarkable
black-style tailgate, giving it a more dynamic appearance than the more upright GLC SUV. At 4,763 mm in length, 1,890 mm in width, and 1,699 mm in height, the new model is 31 mm longer, the same width and 55 mm higher than the first generation GLC Coupe introduced in 2016. Introduced in than the first generation GLC Coupe introduced in 2016. It also has a 15 mm longer wheelbase at 2,888 mm, along with track width that extends by 6 mm to 1,627 mm at the front and by 23 mm to 1,640 mm at the rear over its predecessor.